How to get direction?
Yeah, how to get directions? Okay, if you practiced with one place, can you say that?
Yes, we will
Okay,
practice.
I am good. I am thinking of I can come to your house.
It's my pleasure. When
Are
will
you
you come?
free coming? Are you free coming Sunday?
Yes, I am free. How will you arrive? Bus or bike?
Uh, I will. I will. I will come to my bike.
It's not bad. With
Sorry,
with whom you will come?
um, with my husband.
Okay, I am waiting for you.
Okay. I don't know the way you to your house. Could you tell me how to get your house?
Yes, I can tell. If you come straight from the bridge, sharp turn left on the Madavachi Talamana highway, pass by the church on the right, turn left onto Navatikuli Mannar highway, pass by Mandi Junction bus stop on the right. Come straight and turn right on Palambutti Palamudu Road. Pass by Palamadu on the right. Come straight 3 to 4 kilometer pass Army training camp on the left. Come straight. Pass by Sannar School on the right. Come straight. 6th lane next to playground. Turn right. Come straight 100 meters behind the pine tree in my house.
we are in the session number 12 now. We'll look into a few prepositions and some more conversations. Right. This is a picture. This picture is in the slideshow that I already shared with you. I can share this again with you. You have to you have to identify a few things from there. Okay. There are a few animals and a few objects that are hidden inside the picture. I will put the link in the WhatsApp group. So if you click on it, you can go to this slide and see. So if you look at it, there's a lot of objects there. And
Verbs.
here you can see a few animals. Okay, a few animal names are there. Like if you see, it says find animals. So there's one pig. Actually, it says three pigs, then five chicken, 10 ducks, and 15 little, what is that? 15 little something. Okay, you have to zoom in. You have to zoom in the picture and see. Then you can write down a few things on your exercise book. Like if you want to say there is one pig behind the cart, behind the vegetable cart, or there's one duck on the top of the roof. Okay, so there's a lot of things to describe. So you can write those things down, and in the next class you can say if you found one object or one animal, you can talk about it. So there are four different farm animals. You can find all of them in the picture, and there are different objects. You have to find the name for these objects and then tell where the object is. Okay, in the picture there's a bottle, so you have to zoom the picture and see where the bottle is. So if you find the bottle inside the picture, then you have to describe how to find the bottle. Okay, this is an assignment that you can do at home. You can do it on your own and say it. Okay, you have to say it, write down and then read it, so you will understand how to do that exercise. There's a good practice for prepositions. Now, let's have a look at a few prepositions of place. Okay, how to use prepositions to describe places. I will read it for you. The cat is sleeping in the box. The keys are on the table. The restaurant is at the end of the street. The books are on the shelf. The pen is in the drawer. The dog is sleeping under the bed. The picture is hanging above the fireplace. The flowers are in the vase. You can say vase, okay? My pronunciation changed because it's a different pronunciation. Sorry about it. The flowers are in the vase. The computer is on the desk. The shoes are under the chair. Now, I will read the sentences once again, and I want you to repeat after me. Don't switch on your mic, but repeat after me. I'll give you no space to repeat. Okay? Ready? Number one. The cat is sleeping in the box. The keys are on the table. The restaurant is at the end of the street. The books are on the shelf. The pen is in the drawer. The dog is sleeping under the bed. The picture is hanging above the fireplace. The flowers are in the vase. The computer is on the desk. The shoes are under the chair. Okay, now these are prepositions of place. To understand them and to get a good vocabulary, you will have to practice. Okay, at home, when you're at home, you can read it aloud. Okay, open your mouth and read it aloud, so you will practice. You can get the idea of how to pronounce some of these words. Okay, you have to say it out loud. Right. Now, I'll give you a few prepositions of direction. When you are directing somebody to get somewhere, when you want somebody to find a place, locate a place, you can give some directions, like on a map. For that, you can use a few prepositions, and these are a few examples. Okay, I'll read them. Listen carefully. Walk towards the park. Turn left at the traffic lights. Go straight ahead for 2 blocks. The library is across the street from the bank. The bus stop is around the corner. The museum is to the right of the post office. The supermarket is down the street. The park is through the gate. The school is opposite the church. The hospital is past the police station. Now, I'll tell you the meaning of each of these prepositions, okay? Walk towards the park, meaning if there's a park and you can see the park, somebody is telling you walk towards the park, that means start walking, looking at the park, start walking to the park. That's why that's when you say walk towards the park. தமிழ்ல சொல்றதா இருந்தா பார்க்க தேடி நடவுங்க. பார்க்க தேடி போறது, towards பார்க்குக்கு நேராக போறது. Right. Turn left at the traffic lights. Traffic lightsக்கு வந்த உடனே லெஃப்ட்டுக்கு திரும்புங்க, இடது பக்கம் திரும்புங்க. Go straight. Straightனா நேரா போ. Okay, நேரா போ. Go straight ahead for 2 blocks. Straight ahead means நேரா முன்னுக்கு. For 2 blocks. Blocksனா building blocks இருக்குன்னு தானே. ரோடு இருக்கும்போது பெரிய சிட்டிஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னு சொன்னா there will be a block and there will be a road. Then there will be a block, there will be a road. அப்போ 2 blocks-க்கு நேரா போங்க. Go straight ahead for 2 blocks. The library is across the street from the bank. Across-னா குறுக்க. சரியா? நீங்க பேங்க்குக்கு போயிட்டீங்கன்னா அங்க இருந்து லைப்ரரி across the street. ரோட்டுக்கு குறுக்க. நீங்க குறுக்க கடந்து போனீங்கன்னா ரோடுக்கு குறுக்க போனா லைப்ரரி இருக்கு. Across. The bus stop is around the corner. Roundண்டா இப்படி சுத்தி வளைச்சு. ஓகே, ஒரு மூலையில இங்க இருந்து பார்க்கும்போது ஒரு கோணம், ஒரு மூளை தெரியுதுன்னு சொன்னா, ஒரு ரோட்ல மூளை தெரியுதுன்னா இந்த மூளையால திரும்பினா இருக்குன்னு சொல்றது தான் அரவுண்ட் த கோனர். இட்ஸ் நாட் அட் த கோனர். பார்க்கும்போது உங்களோட கண்ணுக்கு தெரியாது. இட்ஸ் அரவுண்ட் த கோனர். அது இந்த பக்கம் இருக்கலாம் அல்லது இந்த பக்கம் இருக்கலாம். பட் யூ ஹேவ் டு டர்ன் அரவுண்ட். ஒரு பக்கமா திரும்பணும். அதனாலதான் மூலையில இருக்குன்னா மூளைக்கு அந்த பக்கம் இருக்கு. யூ ஹேவ் டு டர்ன் அரவுண்ட். ரைட்? த பஸ் ஸ்டாப் இஸ் அரவுண்ட் த கோனர். த மியூசியம் is to the right of the post office. To the right னா வலப்பக்கத்தில், வலப்பக்கமாக. Of the post office. Post office-க்கு வலப்பக்கமாக இருக்கு. The supermarket is down the street. Down the street னா கீழே இல்லை, நீங்க வீதியில போகும்போது அங்க இருக்கு. Down the street means வீதியில நடந்து போகும்போது அந்த வீதியில இருக்கின்ற. The supermarket is down the street. அப்ப நீங்க இன்னும் போகணும். இந்த ரோட் தான், ஆனா இன்னும் கீழே போகணும். கீழே மீன்ஸ் இப்படி இல்லை, ரோட்ல இன்னும் கீழே போகும். Okay, the supermarket is down the street. The park is through the gate. இந்த கேட்டுக்கு உள்ளாலதான் பார்க்குக்கு போகணும். So there will be a gate. You open the gate and you go through the gate. Park and gate. The park is through the gate. The school is opposite the church. Opposite mean எதிராக. இப்படி ஒரு ரோட்ல இந்த பக்கம் சர்ச், இந்த பக்கம் ஸ்கூல். இப்படி ஸ்கூல் இருக்கு, இப்படி சர்ச் இருக்குடா, நடுவுல ரோடு இருக்குண்டா. You can say இது சர்ச், இது ஸ்கூல். The school is opposite the church. சர்ச்சுக்கு எதிராக. The hospital is past the police station. நீங்க போலீஸ் ஸ்டேஷனை கடக்கும் போது ஹாஸ்பிட்டல். The hospital is past the police station. போலீஸ் ஸ்டேஷனை கடக்கும் போது, போலீஸ் ஸ்டேஷனை தாண்டி ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் இருக்கு. That's the meaning. Okay.